Hey guys, how you doing? This is Josh from Kingdom DTF. We are here at the Sign Expo 2022, and today is for us to set up with CADlink. So we are going to go to the booth right now and set up everything. So if you remember to come to this one, just come by to 1931 and say hi to us. But yeah, this is the place. So it's really big, guys, really big. How you doing, guys? This is Jules from Kingdom DTF. We are here at the International Sign Expo 2022. Welcome one more time to the channel. If this is your first time stopping by, go ahead, subscribe to the channel, click the like button also, and the bell notification so you know when we got new videos. So as we can see here, we are right here in the CADlink booth. We're promoting their softwares for the DTF printing. So this place, guys, is really nice, super big over here. We are representing our company here in DTF for direct-to-film printing. And we got here our Knight 12 with our shaker, and we're doing samples, guys. So follow me. So, as you know, guys, we got supplies, DTF ink supplies, we got the powder, we got adhesive powder over there, we got cleaning solution and all of that stuff. So this is our table. We came with some samples to put it out so people can see actually how it looks a transfer on a shirt, you know, on white, different colors, and we got a few transfers that we have made for samples, how it's supposed to have the texture and everything. And of course, our business card, because we are promoting. And this one also samples, and this one. So this one over here is something special, guys. So this one is a transfetti. You can say that it's similar to confetti, but it's a transfetti, all right? So we hope to start working with this type of special flakes, you can set. As you can see, we got different colors over here. It's to add more color to your shirt instead of using maybe a bleach or something like that, you know, for your shirt. You don't have to bleach it. So basically you take the colors that you like to combine. In this case, we only use orange, but you can combine different colors and press it together with your DTF transfer, okay? So it's something to give more pop-up to your ideas for your transfers, and also it's got to look more cool to, you know, if you like that type of designs over there, okay? So again, we are here at the expo with CADlink, and we got the guys over there. We got Desi is here just looking around. We got a DTG machine over there, the transfers and all of that stuff. So yeah, we got over here.
we wanted to leave it there, you can do that. Now the only difference is this is made to be pressed with parchment paper or butcher paper, not wax. Not with the Teflon, because it'll stick to the Teflon. So if some access sticks, you just scrape it off.
Okay, just the sprinkles have to use parchment.
Correct. It's preferred. So we'll just give it an extra pop. Now again, this is just for now. So if it sticks to the Teflon, excuse that, but that's...
Oh, okay, you don't have parchment?
I do in the car. But we got lost getting in here 4 times today.
Oh yeah, tell me about it.
So this is technically only 350 degrees for 7 to 10 seconds.
Okay.
But I'm gonna leave it a little longer because it's the Teflon, so and I'm not familiar with this press, so we'll see how it works out.
Where do I get information on the little? She said you have a small...
That's the L1800, and that's on his website. If you take the business card on the front, you'll find it on the website.
Okay.
Okay, so see how it sticks to the Teflon because of that? So I have to give it more heat, a little more pressure.
Okay, so just
But
go
with
on
the
your
parchment
website
paper,
and I can find out all about the...
Yeah, so basically on my website, what I got all my supplies, the inks, the films, the powder. Also I got these printers. On the shaker, I started working with shakers too.
Okay.
Okay, so
And
that's
you
the
get
concept. So if it
everything...
sticks to your Teflon,
You get when you buy the bundle, the printer and everything, it comes with everything to get started.
and that's what it
comes
does.
with ink,
And then it's
powder.
Well, I got the inks separate because the inks are, the cost is really low. Compared to, for example, DTG, it's going to be lower the price. So DTG, for example, the white ink can cost you $120. In this case, it can cost you around $50 to $70. But if you like, I mean, we can talk over the phone, and we can do a bonus for you if you like.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Yeah, I'll take a look at that.
Yeah,
Sure.
start with that one. It'll be easy.
And
for
you can put these on any shirt.
anything, cotton, canvas, polyester, microfiber, leather,
Because
anything.
I bought a bunch of these gilded shirts, and it's
Oh yeah,
I wanted to.
you can even bleach them and then press them. Looks nice though.
Yeah, I like the orange. Really nice.